to all of you, and welcome to the Mass Induction Year 2010 to 2011, Achieving Perpetual Light Excellence Through Purpose-Driven Leadership. So for the opening remarks, may we call on Ms. Bonnie Chongson, the Executive Director of the Student Personnel Services.
The SSC officers every year had actually made so much effort to give you a very good induction event. And I'll let you into a little secret, perhaps without their knowing it. The present set of officers will always try to outdo whatever it was that has been achieved by the past SSC officers. And I guess that is a very healthy one, because we always come up with new things, new developments. The SSC has seen to it that this occasion is always a day or a moment of elegance to make it worth looking forward to and worth remembering. So my dear student leaders, officers of the administration and academic officials and friends, let us enjoy the moment. And as I welcome every one of you in this occasion, I'd like each and everyone to feel at home, because everybody is a family anyway. So I bid you welcome, 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 everyone.
We would like to call on Dr. Alfonso Loreto, the school director, for the introduction of inducting officers. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Loreto.
Our inducting officer is a leader, and he will exemplify to us how to be a real perpetualite, a helper of God. My dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Anthony Jose Moran Tamayo.
Now that you have taken your oath, or will be taking your oath of office in your respective organizations, I hope you will continue to make the positive impression to your constituents, who are the very reason you have been elected into office. This is another step in your student life that will prepare you to meet the challenges that will carry you to further growth for you to contribute to society. More than the challenges coming from being an officer of your organization and fulfilling responsibilities arising from your positions will be the challenges to you as persons, as individuals. How you will keep your perpetual light value of being helpers of God as you work with your co-officers, your fellow students, and with the school administration. How you will strive to continue with your studies as you get more and more involved in your duties and responsibilities as officers. How you should never lose sight of the ultimate goal of every student, which is graduating on time and with very satisfactory, if not excellent, rating. Our university's mission is to develop the Filipino as a leader. On behalf again of our chairman of the board and CEO, Dr. Colonel Antonio Tamayo, our vice chairman of the board, Dr. Daisy Tamayo, our corporate secretary and medical center president, Richard Tamayo, we want to extend our warmest congratulations to all the officers of the SSC and the CSC. Good afternoon to you all.
I am honored and privileged to present to you the College Student Councils. May we request the President and the Council to rise, and then the President to go up on the stage together with their advisors for oath-taking.
So please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Please state your organization. Do hereby affirm that I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the Supreme Student Council, to serve the students and execute the duties of the office of state your position to the best of my ability, and to rigorously attend to my responsibilities as student leader. Furthermore, I will attend all meetings. So help me God. Congratulations.
Let's go now to our sectoral organizations.
I state your name of the state or organization. Do solemnly affirm that I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the Supreme Student Council to serve the students and execute the duties of the office of stature position to the best of my ability, and to religiously attend to my responsibilities as student leader. Furthermore, I will attend all meetings. Congratulations.
Mother organization, the umbrella of all organizations of the university, the Supreme Student Council.
I state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill my duties as stature position of the Supreme Student Council. Preserve and defend its Constitution. Execute its rule. Do justice for every student. And consecrate myself to the service of the whole Perpetualite studentry. Moreover, I will attend all meetings. So help me God. Congratulations again to everyone.
Let us all welcome now our incoming SSC President, Ms. Marjorie Elaine B. Berdos.
I'd like to offer my presidency to God our Father, to my family and friends, and most especially to the whole university. Today, or tonight, it is with deep humility and great honor that I accept the presidency of the Supreme Student Council school year 2010 and 2011. I am humbled by the trust and confidence of my fellow Perpetualites. With that trust comes a duty to serve, and I will do my best to fulfill the duty as your SSC President. To my fellow Perpetualite student leaders, let us begin with faith in God, energy and discipline, and most especially with unwavering support. Let us continue to work until the work is finally done. But the work is never done, is it? The cycle continues because there is always much to be done. There can be no rest in pursuit of excellence. As a leader, you should have the passion and dedication that drives you towards your goal. And I do believe that as a leader, your goal should be the success or the excellence of being a leader through effective leadership. With that, I do believe that with God, all things are possible. Thank you. Good evening.